Well, hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna create an easy DIY garden bed. This is a super easy, no tool method, and it's pretty cheap, so let's go ahead and dive in. We started with laying down some cardboard. You can get these from Amazon boxes or other cardboard you might have around your home. This will act as a weed barrier for your garden bed, and this will help keep weeds from popping up in your garden. Next, I went and grabbed 8 of these corner pieces from my local hardware store. These are nice because they cost less than $4 each. We went with 2 in each corner so that we will have some height in our bed. And I like that they have a slat for your board so that you can slide your board in them and they will stay nice and tight. I also grabbed 6 cedar planks. I grabbed these because cedar will last a pretty good while, and these are also pretty cheap. I did cut mine, but you can also get yours cut at the store if you don't have a saw at home. Then all you have to do is place the boards in the slats in the squares, and now you have your border. I really like this method because it only costs around 50 bucks, and it only took a few minutes to put it together. It's also great because you can add on to these and make more garden beds pretty easily. Next, we decided to add some sticks and leaves from around the yard to give the bed some organic material. This will help with drainage, and it also, as these break down, it will enrich the soil for years to come. Next, we added some topsoil and then also some organic garden soil, and I think this was the kids' favorite part. We plan on planting a few different vegetables in here, but let me know in the comments what you plan on planting in your bed. Well, hey guys, this is a pretty easy DIY project. Do you think your mom's gonna like this?
Yes. Y-E-S. Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, I think she's gonna enjoy this. Again, this is not super expensive, doesn't take a lot of time, and also no tools. So if this video was helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. We're trying to get to that 5,000 subscriber mark. Also, I have a couple other videos over here you can check out, but I'll see you in the next one.